So I have a Napoleon fireplace here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to the cover here, and you're gonna open up the cover. It's got the magnets, you know, so it just kind of like holds it that way. But you just pull it open. You have two knobs here. This knob here is going to be the knob that's going to control your flame. As you can see right now, it's off, and it's off because it says off.
That's what I thought.
You got this white line right here. So white line off. And what we're going to do to start it is we're just going to kind of push in slightly, go counterclockwise, and now you can see where it's pilot and the white line. So what we're going to do now is we're going to push in. What this is going to do, this is going to release gas. If it's in the off position and you try to push in, you won't be able to do that. Also, if you don't push in, you won't be able to move the knob at all. So again, we go to the pilot and when you push in, you can hear the gas flow. And what you're going to do now is you got this sparker over here, and you're going to push while you're holding this down. Okay, you're going to spark, okay, and that's going to ignite the gas now. So I'm going to push down, and I'm going to spark this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hold my knob here in while the flame warms up the thermal pile.
That's so hard?
Not really, no.
The gas valve is operated under millivolts, and these fireplaces basically generate their own electricity. After letting that thing warm up, now we can now push in again and go counterclockwise once again. We're going to go to the on position. If you don't go in the on position, then you'll be at your thermostat and nothing will happen because your fireplace is still not on the on position. So now that it's in the on position, I'm going to turn the thermostat on.
You serious?
And there it goes. A fireplace will probably condensate when it comes on, especially if the glass has been recently cleaned. That's perfectly fine. This will all go away. So you can see, this is what your fireplace now looks like.
Wow. Right? Great. Amazing.
It's important to have your fireplace cleaned once a year. For many reasons. You want to make sure that the fireplace is operating safely. You want to ensure that it's cleaned. There's a lot of merc-captain spiders that like to get into the pilot and burner areas, which can cause problems for even the way the flames shoot up.